Here is an explanation of how to solve equations for the accelerated class, or for people who want a challenge. Here's a two-step equation. You've probably heard me say that addition and subtraction are inverse operations, just like multiplication and division are inverse operations. That means to undo addition, we want to subtract, and to undo subtraction, we want to add. Let's take a look at the equation here. 3m plus 2 equals 23. We want to get m by itself, so we're trying to solve for the variable m. First, we want to get rid of plus 2. Well, the opposite of adding 2 is subtracting 2. So anything I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. So if I subtract 2 from both sides, you'll see that I get 3m equals 21. This part right here goes to 0. So we have 3m equals 21. I want to get m by itself, so 3 has been multiplied by m. The opposite of multiplying by 3 is dividing by 3. I'll show that with a fraction bar. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. And you can see this is going to be 3 over 3, which is just 1m. So m equals, and 21 divided by 3, you know, is 7. Remember, you can always check your work. So if you come up here and plug the 7 in where the m is, we'll have 3 times 7, that's 21. Plus 2 is 23, so it checks. Here's a more complicated two-step equation. This one uses the distributive property and combining like terms. Here's our equation. 3 times 4m plus 7 plus 2m equals 49. First, I'm going to get rid of the parentheses by distributing the 3 on each of those terms, or whoop whoop, as we like to call it. That will give us 12m plus 21 plus 2m, because I still have that here, equals 49. Now I want to combine like terms. I notice that I have 12m and I have 2m. If I add those together, I'll have 14m plus 21 equals 49. Now I just have a two-step equation. So I want to get m by itself. To get rid of plus 21, I want to subtract 21 from both sides, so I'll do minus 21, minus 21, and then I'll bring everything down, so I have 14m, remember this goes to 0, equals, and then 49 minus 21 is 28, so I have 14m equals 28. To solve for m, I want to get rid of the 14. 14 is multiplied by m. The opposite of multiplying by 14 is dividing by 14. So I'll divide both sides by 14, and I find that m equals 2. Again, I can come back in here and check it by plugging in m equals 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 plus 7 would be 15. So this whole thing will be 15 right here. And then over here I have 2 times 2, which is 4. So I have 3 times 15, which is 45, plus 4, which is 49. So it checks. That's all for now.